Well, the Gru has a new home. We built this house, I guess it was finished almost 2 years ago now, so this is going to be our retirement home. We're going to retire from the farm coming up in the coming months here. So I thought I'd bring the Gru up because we might be moving in the middle of winter. I don't want to pull this behind the truck with all that snow and salt and grime on the road. So anyway, so I have to make a winter kind of cover frame for it. I got a tarp. Tarp is 12 by 18. The boat is 14 feet, so just have to figure out some sort of a, almost like a teepee kind of thing. You see some people make some sort of frame out of 2x4s that is above it, that rests on the boat or on the land or whatever. So I just have to figure something out, so help keep the snow to shed off, and I'll show you the progress as I go and what I come up with. And it's about -2 right now Celsius, so it's a little chilly. And this is the lumber pile I have to make it out of. So you know me, I always try to make something out of something I already have. So why not? Why buy new if you can just use some older stuff or reuse stuff? So anyway, I got a couple of 2x4s right there that are 16 feet long. So imagine that'll be like the ridge pole, I guess you could call it, or ridge beam or whatever, and then figure out something from there. There's a miscellaneous 2x4s and other stuff in there, so let's see what I can come up with. Well, this is what I come up with. I tried to make this giant tripod thing, but nah, just doesn't want to work. So like I said, try to use what I have. So I just got a sawhorse and added an extra 13 inches onto the legs, as you can see. Just screwed them on, and I'm going to drape this tarp. It's a 12 by 18 tarp over top of it, and me and the wife will drape it over and see what it looks like. So yeah, give it a shot. So it doesn't look too bad. Just got to tie it down fairly snug, because you got a good angle for the snow to kind of fall off. As long as it's tied fairly snug, it should hold tight. Yeah, it should shed the snow. So, but yeah, I just got to find some little ropes and stuff and get it all tied down. Put the Gru away for the winter. This is kind of odd for me. The Gru, ever since I've had it, is always, first few years were in a barn, so it was always covered and wasn't too warm in the barn. But and then the last almost 15 years, it's been in a heated shop. So yeah, big changes for the Gru. So, but I think the Gru's got a better view now. Well, there it is. The Gru's tent for the winter. Doesn't look too bad. I think I'm going to go to the hardware store or something tomorrow and get a few bungees just to kind of help tie up the loose ends or whatever, and some more rope. But yeah, I think it'll work. Yeah, I think it looks pretty good. So tarp cost me, I think it was 54.95 or something like that, and then I got a $10 off coupon, so it was 50 or 44 something. So yeah, under 50 bucks. Got the tarp, supposed to be a heavy duty waterproof one, and yeah, I think that's good. I'll just buy a little bit more string tomorrow. I'll run out, and then that should be it. Looks pretty good. Oh, I just point out that the 2x4 I have on here is a little bit sharp edges, so I just put just had some rags and just stuck them on the end there, and then the tarp over top, so it's got a rounded edge, so it's not a sharp edge, so it shouldn't rip. So I did that on the front one too. So yeah, so I thought I'd just share that, what's going on with the Gru. It's sad to see my shop. I have to lose my shop now, but time to retire from chicken farming. So anyway, there you go.